Everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. I'm Tony, and today we're diving into a common issue that many Alexa users encounter, the dreaded blinking red light. If you've ever wondered what it means and how to fix it, you're in the right place. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on helpful tech tips and tutorials. Now, let's jump into fixing that blinking red light on your Alexa device. So, you've noticed your Alexa device has a red light blinking, and you're probably wondering, what does it mean? Well, generally, a blinking red light on Alexa signals an issue. It could be anything from a Wi-Fi connectivity problem to a software glitch. Step 1. Check Wi-Fi connection. The first thing you want to do is check your Wi-Fi connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for Alexa to function properly. Head over to your Alexa app, navigate to Settings, and check the Wi-Fi connection. If it's not connected, troubleshoot your Wi-Fi or reconnect your device. Step 2. Power cycle your Alexa device. If the Wi-Fi is not the issue, the next step is a classic move, power cycling. Simply unplug your Alexa device, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This helps refresh the system and often resolves minor glitches causing the red light. Step 3. Update Alexa firmware. Another common culprit is outdated firmware. Ensure your Alexa device is running the latest software. Open the Alexa app, go to Settings, select your device, and check for any available updates. If there are updates, install them and see if the red light persists. Step 4. Check for hardware issues. If you've tried all the software fixes and the red light is still blinking, it's time to inspect for hardware issues. Check the power adapter and the cable for any damage. If everything looks good, consider performing a factory reset as a last resort. Conclusion. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to troubleshoot and fix the blinking red light on your Alexa device. Remember, technology can be finicky, but with a bit of patience and the right steps, you can get things back up and running. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment below if you have any questions or if you've successfully fixed your Alexa red light issue. Subscribe for more tech tips, and until next time, happy troubleshooting. This is Tony signing off from Smart Home. Stay tech savvy, everyone.